Don't lend money to your family. Give it. Never shake hand while sitting down. Protect who is behind you and respect who is beside you. Never eat the last piece of something that you didn't buy. Don't throw your friend under the bus to impress someone else. Never insult the cooking when you are the guest. Don't take your phone during a conversation. Don't make fun of your friend in front of his kids. Never ever beg for a relationship. Never let your emotions overpower you. No one cares if you are offended, so stop it. By the way, if you finished the whole video, support us by subscribing to our channel.